Hey guys, it's early Saturday morning and I'm piddling around here in the shop. I had to take my brother Todd to the train station. No, not like the train station on Yellowstone. Come on, man. No, he was here visiting us, so I had to take him down there so he could catch the train back at like 5 o'clock in the morning. So I'm out here piddling around. And yeah, I got this little Stihl 011 out and was cutting some wood up, which I'll show you in this video. But I noticed the oiler wasn't working, so I done tagged her out, put a tag on it. I got this crazy idea to, um, oh, I used to work out of this shop years ago doing miscellaneous repair work and stuff like that. And I had a bunch of these tags left over, these tags that they put on stuff like that needs service repair work and stuff like that. And so I got this harebrained idea. I was gonna say, because I got so many saws and stuff that are in various stages of working and all that fun stuff. And I thought, ooh, I'm gonna put a tag on the ones that I know that need stuff. So I done put me a tag on this one, says it needs the oiler fixed. I went around and then like I put one on this one needs a carb kit. And on that old McCulloch, this one's not run yet. I haven't ran that one yet. And like this old Pioneer 600, say I'm getting all tag happy here, not run yet. I know it's sort of neurotic, but anyways, I just thought I'd throw together sort of a funky, sort of a whatever video. I was working on Eric's saw over here. We put a new chain on it. That other one was junk. I'll show you in this video. You'll see why. I got some wood outside that I need to cut up. Feed my fire out there. Thought I'd bust out this little Stihl chainsaw, this little 011. Did I ever show you guys the bucking spike I put on this? Look at that bad boy. And this is the factory one. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the difference. Isn't that crazy? Look at that tiny thing. That's ridiculous. Yeah, I got this off of eBay, off of that custom chainsaw parts guy. Woo! That little Stihl rips. Yeah. Put that guy in there. Right there. Oh! Oh, he got a little chunk off of it. Let's split this guy. Bam! Split this one more time. Nice. See if this one will split. Boom. There we go. There's a nice little fire. Nice. That little Stihl's a ripper. Let's see if we can hit these bad boys. Bam! Hit this one more time. Yeah. That wood's still a little damp yet. Let's give her a little help. Ah, there we go. Nothing like a little tiki torch fuel to get the old fire going. Nice. A little more cutting. This thing oiling. I think I need to check on the oiler on this thing. She's looking a little dry. Hey guys, I'm just out here in the shop working on the XL12 for Eric, and I was trying to get this chain whipped into shape, and boy, the more I look at it, the more I realize this chain is roached. It's junk. Because yeah, like this one here, there was a couple of them where it looks like they hit a rock or something, and so it was actually, the front edge was bent up. And by the time I got done, here, can you guys see that? By the time I got done filing to where there was an edge, there's hardly any tooth left. And there's a couple of them like that. And then the one that really threw me for a second, or not for a second, I mean, it's obvious something's messed up, but I went to check the raker height because Mr. Obsolete reminded me, you know, don't forget to check the rakers with your raker gauge. And I was like, oh crap, I better do that. And so I put my raker gauge on here, and look at that. Somebody cut them so short they don't even come near as close to where they should be. So yeah, look at that. The rakers are pretty much gone. Look at that one. You can't even, you have to like look down in the hole. Yeah, look how much they cut those rakers down on that thing. See that? There is no rakers. It's like, what the heck did they do that for? And then here's a new chain that I got here. Found this new chain at the thrift store with the bar. It's steel chain. But look at that. See, that's what the raker is supposed to look like. And then look at that, some jackass sawed him down on this thing. So anyways, I don't want to give Eric this junk chain, so we're going to put a new one on. So anyways, let me get my camera set up, and we'll change out this chain real quick. I'm gonna use my phone on my camera, or my camera on my phone this time. So I don't want to do everything with the GoPro. It's nice to just sort of see like a stable piece of video one time, right? So let's change this guy out. I think this is the right size chain, or the right length anyway. I know it's the right size, but it looks like it's for a 20-inch bar. Yeah, I found this chain with a hard nose bar at the thrift store for 20 bucks, and it's a brand new steel chain. Can't beat that. I think it's like, because yeah, I think the last time I bought a new steel chain, it seemed like it was like 30 bucks just for the chain. So let's swap her out. Get this piece of crap off of here. Get out of here. Yeah, I mean, I thought it was going to be serviceable at first, but I don't know what they were thinking with those rakers. Get out of here. So yeah, I think this is a 20-inch chain. Let's try it and see. 20-inch bar chain. So you're going to get a brand new chain, buddy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's the one. Nice. Yeah, whenever I see, oh, look at that. Whenever I see a bar and chain at the thrift store, I always grab them, because you never know when you're gonna use them. Back off our adjuster a little bit. Ooh, that's nice too. The adjuster's like right in the middle now. Tighten, 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 tighten. There we go. Okay. Bar plate. Much better. That's a much better. Yeah, and it's funny too, you get to working with these chains and stuff and looking at them all the time, and after a while you can sort of pick out the 3/8 chain just by looking at it once you get used to seeing them. Isn't that crazy? So yeah, I saw that at the thrift store. I was like, oh, that's a brand new 3/8 chain. I gots to have it. Gots to have it. Oh, there we go. Much better. Much better. I wasted all that time trying to sharpen that piece of crap. But hey, practice makes perfect, right? Nothing wrong with a little practice. There. Nice. Okay, now she's ready to cut some wood. So there's my goofy little Saturday morning video, guys. Everybody's probably still sleeping in there. They might be awake by now. It's like 7 o'clock or something. So anyways, I just thought I'd throw something together. And then we'll get Eric's XL12 out here maybe later today. I'll cut some wood with that, see how that goes. Tune her up a little bit. So yeah, it's raining right now, so hopefully the weather's better. But anyways, we'll catch you later, guys.